Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we will explore how to adjust the size of the touch keyboard in Windows 11. This is useful if you want a larger keyboard for easier typing or a smaller one to save screen space. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to customize. First, right-click on the Start icon at the bottom. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, select Personalization on the left side of the screen. Then, scroll down and click on Text Input. Then, click on Touch Keyboard. Once you're inside the Touch Keyboard settings, look for the Keyboard Size option. Next to it, there will be a slider that allows you to adjust the size of the Touch Keyboard. Drag the slider to the left to make the keyboard smaller or to the right to make it larger. You will see the changes in real time as you move the slider, so you can select the size that works best for you. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips. Thanks for watching.